Hi, Marcy Morgan here with 13 interactive challenges to self-discovery and grandparent memories from the heart. So today we're talking about how to enter credit card charges. And you might be going, well, I use bank feeds. So do I. But guess what? As I was working on my bank reconciliation today, my credit card rec, I did the bank feed. I had some issues with Chase taking over into QuickBooks, and it only did part of the credit card. So what do you do in that event? Well, I'm about to show you. So let's dive in to our QuickBooks, and I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So you'll see here, enter credit card charges in the bottom right corner on the home page. When you click on that, it says credit card purchase or charge. Make sure that you have your credit card. Now, if for some reason you have a credit for like a payment or a refund, you'll need to switch it over here to credit card refund or credit, but I don't have any of those. So you're going to make sure that purchase charge is clicked, and then you just add one. So in this in this case, it's Amazon. Okay, Amazon, and you make sure that you put the date, and if you have a reference number, you can put it, and you put the amount. And if you want to put something in the memo, you can. And if you have a customer job related to it or a class, which I don't have a class, so I'm just going to say save and close. Now, when I look at this and I go back to my reconciliation, you will see that I had started my rec, right? And I'm going to have one of these that's not here. I can't see it right at the moment. So there it is. It's that $79.99. And I'm going to have to continue doing that for a few of them. And I don't want to bore you with those details. So in the event that this happens to you where only some of your charges come over in the bank feed, you may have to manually add those. So what you'll do is you'll go to the home page in QuickBooks, you'll click on enter credit card charges, and you'll enter them there. And then they will actually show up on that debit side on your credit card. Hope that helped. If I brought you any value, or entertainment, please like, share, and subscribe. And I bring you tips, tricks, and hacks in your business and personal life. Mwah. Be blessed. Bye-bye.